How to concentrate in class. Are you struggling to stay focused during class? You are not alone. Many teenagers find it challenging to concentrate, especially with so many distractions around. Let's talk about some practical steps you can take to improve your focus and make the most of your time in class. First, consider your environment. A clean and organized space can help you concentrate better. Before class, clear your desk of anything that is not needed. If you are studying at home, find a quiet spot away from distractions like the television and your phone. Good lighting and having all your supplies ready can also keep you on track. Next, setting up a routine can train your brain to expect focus time. Try to start your homework or study sessions at the same time each day. This consistency helps your mind switch into work mode more easily, making it easier to stay alert during class. Self-talk can be a powerful tool. Simple phrases like "I can do this" or "just focus for the next 10 minutes" can calm your mind and keep you engaged. Find a phrase that resonates with you and use it when your attention starts to drift. Actively participating in class is another great way to stay focused. Join in discussions, ask questions, and answer when you can. Being involved keeps your mind from wandering and helps you remember what you are learning. It might feel awkward at first, but practice makes it easier. Previewing and reviewing your notes can also help. Look over what you learned in the last class before starting a new one. After class, quickly review the material again. This habit prepares your brain for new information and reinforces what you have just learned. Taking notes is essential for processing information. Write down the main ideas and anything you find confusing. This keeps your mind active and engaged. Review your notes later to fill in any gaps in your understanding. Managing distractions is key. Phones and social media can pull your attention away. Put your phone on silent or in your bag during class. If you are working online, close any unnecessary tabs. Let your friends know you are focusing during class time. Using breaks wisely can help reset your mind. If you feel your attention slipping, take a quick stretch or walk around. Even a minute or two can help you return to the task with better focus. Practicing mindfulness can also improve your concentration. Simple breathing exercises or short meditations can calm your mind and reduce stress. Try focusing on your breath for a minute when you feel distracted. Lastly, staying active is important. Regular exercise not only keeps your body healthy but also improves your memory and concentration. If possible, walk or move around between classes and make time for sports or activities you enjoy. Remember, everyone learns differently. Pay attention to what helps you focus best and try to use those methods in class and while studying. If you are still struggling, do not hesitate to ask for help from your teacher or a counselor. They can offer tips tailored to your situation. Building concentration takes practice, so be patient with yourself. Start with small steps and keep trying different methods until you find what works best for you. Over time, these habits will help you manage your time better and stay productive in class.